My dear students, now I will discuss about the equation of straight line in space. Equation of a line passing through a given point and parallel to a given vector. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, मैं आपको ये सलाह दूंगा कि जब 3D पढ़िए तो आँख पर 2D रखिए। कहीं आँख पर 2D रखेंगे तो 3D कैसे देखेंगे? मतलब दिमाग में 2D का फोटो रखिए और तब 3D पढ़िए। पहला शर्त, 2D में एक लाइन का इक्वेशन के लिए पॉइंट चाहिए, स्लोप चाहिए। पॉइंट चाहिए, स्लोप चाहिए। 3D में समझिए, इक्वेशन ऑफ ए लाइन पासिंग थ्रू ए गिवन पॉइंट, पॉइंट तो चाहिए ही, एंड पैरेलल टू ए गिवन लाइन, मतलब एक लाइन चाहिए जिसके पैरेलल यह लाइन हो। यहाँ भी स्लोप है, लेकिन स्लोप का दूसरा रूप है। क्या? कि इस लाइन, जिस लाइन का इक्वेशन निकालना है, उसका स्लोप निकालने के लिए हमको एक लाइन का स्लोप चाहिए जो इसका पैरेलल है। यहाँ स्लोप इस रूप में है, इसलिए इस बात को ध्यान में रखिए। Now theorem 1 is the vector equation of a straight line passing through a fixed point with position vector A. This is position vector A. And parallel to a given vector B. This is given vector B. Is vector R plus vector A lambda times of vector B, where lambda is any scalar quantity. My dear student, let O be the origin and A be the fixed point with position vector A, then vector OA is equal to vector A. Let R be the position vector of any point P. This is arbitrary point. P is arbitrary point and which distance from origin is R. So it represents vector R. यही बात समझना है। वहाँ भी एक पॉइंट P लेते थे जिसका कोऑर्डिनेट XY लेते थे, ए पॉइंट का कोऑर्डिनेट x1 y1 लेते थे। प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, सेम तरह से भी यहाँ हम सवाल बनाएंगे। लेट वेक्टर आर बी द पोजीशन वेक्टर ऑफ एनी पॉइंट पी ऑन द लाइन ड्रॉन थ्रू ए एंड पैरेलल टू बी एज इंडिकेटेड इन द गिवन फिगर 1, देन वेक्टर ओ पी इक्वल टू वेक्टर आर। सिंस वेक्टर ए पी इज पैरेलल टू वेक्टर बी, vector AP is parallel to vector B. Therefore, vector AP is lambda times of vector B for some scalar lambda. Now, vector R minus vector A is equal to lambda times of vector B. Vector R is equal to vector A plus lambda times of vector B. Hence, the vector equation of a line passing through a point and parallel to a given vector B is vector R is equal to vector A plus lambda times of vector B, where lambda is any scalar quantity. Now, my dear student, we want to convert it into Cartesian form. So, the Cartesian equation of a straight line passing through a fixed point x1, y1, z1 and having direction ratios proportional to ABC is given by x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. My dear student, here this is x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, and this is a point A whose position vector is vector A. This is any point P whose position vector is R. Now, we know that the vector equation of a line passing through a fixed point with position vector A and parallel to a given vector M is given by vector R, vector A plus lambda times of vector M. This is vector M, lambda times of vector M. My dear student, we know that the vector equation of a line passing through a fixed point with position vector A and parallel to a given vector M is given by vector R plus vector A plus lambda times of vector M, where A is equal to x1 I, y1 j, z1 k. and vector m is equal to ai plus bj plus ck. Putting the value of vector r, vector a and vector m in equation first we have xi plus yj plus zk, x1i plus y1j plus z1k, lambda times of ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap, xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap is equal to x1 plus lambda ai, y1 plus lambda bj cap and z1 plus lambda ck cap. Comparing coefficients of I, j, k, we get x is equal to x1 plus lambda a, y is equal to y1 plus lambda b, z is equal to z1 plus lambda c. So x minus x1 is equal to lambda a, y minus y1 is equal to lambda b, z minus z1 is equal to lambda c. Since x minus x1 is equal to lambda a, y minus y1 is equal to lambda b, and z minus z1 is equal to lambda c. Therefore, x minus x1 by a is equal to lambda, y minus y1 by b is equal to lambda, and z minus z1 by c is equal to lambda. This implies x minus x1 by a plus y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by lambda is known as Cartesian equation of the line. This is also known as symmetrical form of a line. Now, the equation of a line having direction cosines L, M, N passing through x1, y1, z1 are x minus x1 by L, y minus y1 by n, and z minus z1 by n. Since direction cosines of the line proportional to the direction ratios of the line, hence x minus x1 by L is equal to y minus y1 by n is equal to z minus z1 by n, where L, M, N are the direction cosines. So now my dear students, now I want to discuss equation of a line passing through two given points in vector form. My dear student, here A and B are 2 points whose position vector are A and B, and P is any arbitrary point whose position vector are R. Let O be the origin and A and B be the given points with position vectors A and B respectively. Let R be the position vector of any point P on the line passing through the points A and B. Then vector OP is equal to vector R, vector OA is equal to A, and vector OB is equal to B. Since vector AP is collinear with AB, vector AP is collinear with vector AB. So vector AP is equal to lambda times of vector AB for some scalar lambda. So OP minus OA is equal to lambda times of OB minus OA. AP can be written as vector AP is equal to OP minus vector OA, lambda times of AB, OB minus vector OA. So vector R minus A is equal to lambda times of vector B minus A. So vector R is equal to vector A plus lambda times of vector B minus A is known as vector equation of a straight line passing through 2 points. Now, the Cartesian equation of a line passing through two given points, here x1, y1, z1, and it is x1, y2, z2, and it is xyz, p is xyz, any point. So it will be x minus x1 by x2 minus x1, y minus y1 by z2, y2 minus y1, and z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. So let O be the origin and A and B be the given points with position vector A and B respectively, and vector R be the position vector of any point P on the line passing through A and B. Then vector equation of line can be written as vector R is equal to vector A plus lambda times of vector B minus A. Here vector A is equal to x1i plus y1j plus z1k. Vector B is equal to x2i plus y2j plus z2k. Vector R is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Putting the value of vector R, vector A and vector B in first we have xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap is equal to x1i cap plus y1j cap plus z1k cap. Lambda times of x2 minus x1i plus y2 minus y1j plus z2 minus z1k. Comparing coefficient of I, j, k, we have x minus x1 is equal to lambda times of x2 minus x1. Y minus y1 is equal to lambda times of y2 minus y1. Z minus z1 is equal to lambda times of z2 minus z1. This implies x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1 is equal to lambda, is known as equation of a line in Cartesian form passing through 2 points. So my dear students, I hope you go through this two theorems. Actually there are two theorems, but it is in the form of vector and Cartesian, so I have written it separately. So my dear student, after going through the derivation of these two theorems, I will apply it in solving the problem, apply this result in problem solving. So I hope you have understood me, you have followed me, and after knowing the results, now I will apply it in solving the problem of equation of a straight line in space. Thank you very much.